Did you know that some of your everyday habits could actually be silently destroying your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to infections, colds, and even chronic illnesses? In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 surprising habits that weaken your immune system. Stick with me until the end, because number 5 is something most people do every single day without realizing the damage. Welcome back to Fuel Form of Life, where we share the best health and nutrition tips to keep your body strong and thriving. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's when your body repairs, produces immune cells, and strengthens defenses. If you're constantly sleeping less than 7 hours, your body's ability to fight off infections drops drastically. Eating too much processed food, sugar, or unhealthy fats can starve your immune system of the nutrients it needs. Your body thrives on vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. Stress hormones like cortisol can suppress your immune response. If you're always anxious or overworked without taking time to relax, your body struggles to defend itself from illnesses. Moderate exercise boosts circulation and helps immune cells move throughout your body. But if you live a mostly sedentary lifestyle, your immune system becomes weaker and less responsive. This one's a biggie. Excessive alcohol weakens your immune defenses, and smoking damages your lungs, making it easier for viruses and bacteria to invade. Cutting down or quitting can give your immune system a major boost. So those are the 5 habits that weaken your immune system. The good news? Once you identify them, you can start making small changes to strengthen your body's natural defenses. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fuel Form of Life, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming tips to keep your health in top shape. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.